In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a survey in Mailchimp. Let's walk through this together from inside the Mailchimp email editor. Start by opening the email campaign where you want to add your survey. Once you're in the editor, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is where all of your content blocks live, and it's where you'll find the option to add a survey. Near the top of that sidebar, click the plus or add button to expand the full list of content blocks. You'll see options like text, images, buttons, and more. Scroll through that list until you find the survey block. It might look similar to a button block, but it's specifically designed to connect to your Mailchimp surveys. When you see the survey block, click and drag it onto your email layout. Drop it exactly where you want the survey button to appear. For example, under a short introduction or a section explaining why you're asking for feedback. As soon as you drop it in place, Mailchimp will automatically insert a button in your email. With that survey block selected, look back to the left panel. The settings for this block will now be visible there. One of the first options you'll see is a drop-down labeled Link to Survey. Open that drop-down. Here you can choose from your existing Mailchimp surveys. If you've already created a survey in Mailchimp, simply select it from the list, and the button will be wired to that survey. If you don't have a survey yet, no problem. In that same drop-down, choose the option to create a new survey. Mailchimp will guide you through setting it up. Once you've created it and saved it, you can come back to this block and select that new survey from the list. After the survey is linked, take a moment to customize how the button looks so it fits your email design. In the settings panel, you can adjust the button shape, add or remove a border, and tweak the size. You can also change the button color, the text color, and the background color of the entire block. Use alignment controls to position it left, right, or centered, and adjust padding so there's enough space around the button to make it easy to spot and click. When you're happy with the design, you're done. Your survey is now embedded in your Mailchimp campaign and ready for your audience to respond.